Hey, this is Timothy with discountbonuses.com, and in this video I'm going to be giving you my About Passive Income Planner Girl review. I'm going to be taking you through, showing you what is Passive Income Planner Girl and what is digital planners. Now below this video will be a link that will take you to my website, which you are looking at right now, and on my website, I will go over a lot of the questions you may have, such as details on the upsells, all the pricing, and also some bonuses you can use during launch week. So, what is Passive Income Planner Girl? Passive Income Planner Girl helps you find out what you are good at and how you can use your skill to create and sell planners on Etsy. Etsy is an e-commerce website where you can set up your own shop. The course will give you a complete understanding of how to set up a digital shop on Etsy and use it to sell planners. Its goal is to help you identify your passion, recognize your core strength, and enhance it further. The course will teach you how to create products that add real value to a customer's life and will sell itself for several years. It emphasizes on building a good relationship with customers so that they keep coming back to you. It serves as a step-by-step guide. It helps you in creating a planner, selling it on the e-commerce platform Etsy, and setting up a full-fledged business of your own. Who is behind Passive Income Planner Girl? Two young women named Michelle Rowe and Amy Jonan realized there was a scope for innovation in the digital marketing space. They tapped into their strength and capabilities and built successful online shops on Etsy. They used the platform to establish themselves as successful businesswomen in the online world. Both Michelle and Amy have found success in running their business on e-commerce Etsy stores by selling planners. After tasting success and seeing several others struggle, they decided to empower other women who wanted to carve a niche for themselves in this space. This idea gave birth to Passive Income Planner Girl. What are digital planners? The short on digital planners is that you can use an app like GoodNotes or NoteShelf with your tablet and write digitally. You don't have to print anything out and can erase any mistakes you make instantly. This course teaches you how to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy or use yourself. There are many different types of planners, and they can be used for different purposes. Beyond the daily, weekly, and yearly planning, you can design the planner to stand out among the others on Etsy fairly easily with the instruction in the course. Who is this course for? This course is for anyone who wants to sell printables on Etsy, and specifically digital planners. Passive Income Planner Girl pricing. Here are the different pricing options for someone who wishes to buy the Passive Income Planner Girl course. One-time payment, $297. Split pay divided by 2 individuals, $157. Split pay divided by 4 individuals, $80. If you have already bought a Passive Income with Printables course, authored by Michelle Rowe, you do not have to pay for Passive Income Planner Girl, as the latter is the new version. My personal experience. I found the Passive Income Planner Girl course to be extremely useful. It is a course that gives one good value for the amount that one invests in buying it. It helped me create my own planner and also set up my shop on Etsy. I understood it was important for me to create value for the customers so that they keep coming back to me. I did not know how to look for platforms that can ensure good visibility for your product. The course taught me how to use Pinterest to generate eyeballs for the product I create. I also learned how to create an email list to reach out to a large potential customer base. The course provided me with information on creating a short-term course and building a community of my own. Passive Income Planner Girl bonuses. So first bonus is WP Affiliate Suite. This is the perfect course for anyone who wants to learn how to build niche-based WordPress affiliate websites. Beginning to end training for both beginner and advanced affiliate marketers. Includes a done-for-you affiliate marketing WordPress theme. Includes 26 HD videos plus a premium quality done-for-you affiliate marketing WP theme. Chris Derenberger sell this course for $17 online. You can learn all about it at wpaffiliatesuite.com. Bonus number 1, then bonus number 2. It's Supremacy, the perfect course for anyone who wants to get into YouTube affiliate marketing. This course will teach you step by step how to set up and build an authority YouTube channel for ranking videos above your competitors. These 14 HD videos go over setting up a YouTube channel, building authority, optimizing and ranking video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you like this review. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more product reviews, discount and bonuses, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.
Hey, this is Tim